Good day all. Welcome to BridgeLCS. This is the part 2 video of types of quotation. In the part 1 video, we have discussed about the pending, expired, completed and all quotation types. Here we are going to be discussing about the approved quotation. This section has a list of quotations that are confirmed and approved. The row number here is indicated in green color. You can find the duration of quotation creation along with the row number and its validity in a separate field. Here you are provided with a list of services opted. This is for your quicker access. Right click on the row. You can find options like disapprove, email, follow-up, etc. By disapproving the quotation, we can move the quotation to two different sections based on their validity. If the disapproved quotation has validity, it moves to the pending state, and if it does not have validity, it is moved to the expired section. Email allows you to send updates and file to your customers on a regular basis. Follow-up sets up a reminder if you want to work on this consignment in future. Complete moves the quotation to the completed section once the job is done. Revise allows you to make modifications. Download helps to download the file. Print facilitates you to print the quotation, and upload provides the facility to capture the required documents. Replicate creates a duplicate copy of the quotation with minimal changes. And finally, action has view and edit. If we talk about the advanced features, double-clicking on the row provides you the view of details entered. You can make notes by double-clicking on the row number. Sort works on the basis of type of data. If the data is of numerical type, then this works in ascending order, and if it is of text type, then it works alphabetically. Row number with upload symbol indicates that the quotation has file or document attached to it. Customer and prospect can easily be identified among the list of data. Prospect has this symbol attached to the name, and the customer does not have any logo attached to it. This is all about this video. I hope you would have found this useful. Thank you for watching.